Please welcome from Trading Clubs Corporation, talking about smart trading with robots, Mr. Oleksandr Novosiadlyi.
Thank you very much. First of all, thanks for invitation. And today we have a very interesting topic, so I think like more people will come to us. And I will share with you, first of all, my own journey when I was working in the Forex market, how I came and how I understand in what way we can generate a good profit. So my whole experience in this market is around 10 years. And last 6 or 7 years, I'm moving only in the direction of robots. So I didn't open any deal manually, only by robots. I will tell you why it happened like that. So first of all, when we are coming to the market, every one of us, we are having the same goal. A goal is to make profit. So this is This is our goal, is to make profit, to make the maximum profit as we can with the minimum risk. And between of us and this goal is big ocean. And this ocean calling market. Market is very aggressive thing. It doesn't matter what kind of market. It might be Forex, crypto, stock exchange. But in the end, what we need to do and how we can get to our goal is to build the bridge. To bridge from us to our goal, it's meaning profit. And the problem is that lots of the people, they don't understand that they need to build this bridge with professional instruments. They are trying to trade, I don't know, yesterday I was listening to one guy, he was like speaking for a long time, and every time he was repeating one thing, that you need to trade following your logic. How you can be successful if you will trade only following your logic? Your logic to the market is nothing, in zero. It's really zero, and you can't generate a good profit from it. So first of all, I was trying to trade manually. I was trying to buy a lot of the courses, to read a lot of the books. I read around 50 books, American, European, when they was describing on Forex. But only one thing was in my head, and I don't understand how actually it might be, like why this system that I found in the book must work in the market right now. How I can test it? Is it working or no? Because if you will open, even right now, if you will go to the YouTube, you will open and writing in the search like trading strategy, you will find tons of trading strategy. But how to understand, is it working or no? This is the biggest problem, and that's why we are right now we are working in 3 directions. I will tell you like soon. I will explain you why we are working in this direction, because this direction, first of all, it was creating by ourselves. And the first direction, it was calling idea. So it's meaning when we was creating our own robots by our own ideas. Anytime, like every day, to us coming some traders, and they told us that I have idea, I have a strategy in my mind, I want to understand, is it working or no? How you can understand? You need to put some algorithm, to write some algorithm, to put it in the history, because history is only one thing how we can understand, is it working or no? And sometimes when people coming, they told me, yeah, I have a great idea, I want to make it with the robot, it will make a huge percentage. And after 1 or 2 days, they went from my office very upset, because they understand that their system is not working. Like they are working maybe in the short period of time, but when they will take 1 month, 1 year, 3 years, they understand that it's not working. If you are trading manually, you have your idea how to work. How you can test it? How you can test it for 1 year? You need to spend around 1, 2, 3 months to test it only, to understand is it working or no. So that's why we recommend you to move in direction of the smart trading. Smart trading, you will get smart trading only with the robot, so you can test it. Imagine if you have ideas of few trading system and few ways how to open, how to close position. So when you will come to us and you will tell me, yeah, I want to create a trading robot, I will tell you, please, draw me, even take the paper, take the pencil and try to draw your idea. How you are, what is your entry point, what is your close position point, what is your stop loss, what is your take profit. Imagine if you have a few ideas. We can give you a chance to optimize it, to find the best way. Maybe you have 15 ideas, and from 15 ideas you will find the one way how to trade in the proper way, how to trade properly. Another point, control the risk. This is the most important point, because some guys, when they depositing money, maybe like $10,000, they start to trade fully lot with the system. Maybe the system is not bad, this system are working, but they don't know, they don't understand exactly what type of risk they accept during with this trading size, trading lot. And in the end, they are losing, because what is the benefit of the robot? You can make your algorithm, you will create your own system, you will run this system on the test, you will see exactly what is the risk, what is the profit, what is the drawdown that was in the past. And in the future, you can create like your own business plan. Because Forex trading, first of all, you need to understand that this is the business. We come there like in any business to make a profit, and we need to do everything to make a profit. So only in my history, in my experience on working in this field, I met only one guy. He came to us, we gave him a robot. After that, he came 2 weeks later, and he told me, please turn off it. I came to this market for emotion. He's losing money from time to time. He's depositing, get some emotions, lost, again come, this only one. For all of you, the most important thing is to generate profit as maximum as you can. And you can do it exactly with the robot. Let me show it to you, a short video, and you will understand how it's working. So some people can come to me and only drawing. This is like a simple system calling ABC, like 2 trend lines and 1 contra trend. They are drawing. In the simple way, they're explaining where to put the stop loss, where to put the take profit. After that, we are working on it. So we are trying to put the maximum quote as we can, also putting our recommendation how to improve that. And after that, what we are doing, we went to the system testing. So we exactly can understand how it's working, what is our profit, what is our maximum risk that we can expect. And what we are doing, in the end, we are not trusting in the one system. In the end of my speech, I will explain you why. One guy came to me, it was some of my colleagues. He told me also, I have a good idea regarding robots. We made for him all these steps, and results was really nice. So he showed that is profitable, he understands the risk, everything. After that, when he started trading, after 1 year, he made with these robots around 134%, if I'm not wrong, in 1 year. This is very good. Result with the medium risk, the maximum risk was around 32%. So for some people it's too much, for some people it's normal. But after 1 year, this system starts making some losses. What we recommend to do for the client, if they have some backtest, they can see that the maximum risk was approximately like $500 with the volume of 0.05. And when they see the current situation that the drawdown in the trading becomes lower, imagine like $600, no need to trust in the system. You need to close this system. It's meaning that something wrong happened. This guy, he was trusted in the system, not in the market, not in the risk management. He was trusted exactly in this instrument. No, I cannot believe that system is not making profit. I will invest more money and he will start making again for me profit. He lost from his deposit around 50 or 60%. This is the problem, because he was trusting in the system. Again, the guys who was trusting in Bitcoin for a long time, they are trusting in the instruments. Real traders, professional traders, they are trusting only in the profit. If the system generating profit, okay, we will work with that. If it's not generating profit, switch to the next level. Then. Because first of all, I want to tell you my own journey. So we was trading by ourselves. I had a team for around like 20 or 30 traders. And it was around 6 or 7 years ago, I read some article that Goldman Sachs Bank, they fired, listen please, fired 550 traders, real traders with experience. Maybe they made a good results before for them. So they fire 550 traders. You can find it in the Google. It's not something hide information. And in the same months, they hire 150 programmers. So you can't you can sit there and you think, wow, this guy, I saw him a first time, I don't know him, maybe he's lying about that. But I think every one of you heard about Goldman Sachs. So they did it. And in the same time, I started thinking, wow, we have a system, we are training with them, maybe we can do this more in automatic way. So we are starting to creating our own products. And you can ask me, I can show you the backtest, I can show you statistics, how it was working, how it's working right now. And I don't know why, I will show it to you the video with variety of indicators, because even if we will go to the website, it's calling MQL5, they have the market and they are selling their robots. And the indicators, 90% of the people, in the end, they are using indicators. So that's why in some cases for the people we are providing indicators, also because people want to do the decision manually. From my own experience, a lot of the people, they interest in the robots, but they scared them. Why they scared them? Who knows what does it mean, martingale systems? Yes, someone knows. Yeah, so it's the easiest way to show someone how the martingale is working in the proper way on the short period of time. You depositing, and if you will live 3 months, this will be great. Your deposit will leave. You will lost all your deposit. In these 3 months, you might make even 200%. It will be for someone who don't have experience with robots wow. Imagine that you was trading by yourself. You was making profits or maybe 5-10%, maybe minuses. Then you are using martingale. You are made 200%. It's really wow. But in the end, you lost everything. Zero account. And it's happened every time. But people don't know how to check it, don't know how to understand how it's working or no. And soon I will tell you one more thing about this kind of robot. So we are not offering that. This is simple indicators because for the robots, our own robots, I need to connect my laptop, and there is not possible that. So this is a short video, what kind of variety in indicators we have. So with the different kinds of the money zones, trend, counter trend, night trading, different kinds of the stuff. So first, we was trading manually. Then we went to the algo trading. But in some cases, if you want to grow, you need to listen someone who will give you new ideas how to develop your trading and move it to the next level. So that was happened with us when we start creating robot for someone else. So people they coming from idea, maybe some idea in some points are bad, but they was bringing.
Ladies and gentlemen, have you heard about Oleksandr Novosiadlyi? Visit booth number 6 and enter one of the biggest gold giveaways in brokers history. 4 kg of pure gold awaits you. Make sure you visit the stand today. Thank you.
Thank you very much for pure gold. So I was telling about what? Because I forgot. So then we moved to ideas to make it algo trading from our own ideas. Then we start getting ideas from the clients. And if the client bring a good idea, after maybe 1 month, we see, it's really good idea. We need to optimize it. And we start to gain for the clients also this type of robots. But then we decide that we need to go for the outsource. And the third way that I want to tell you about this MQL5 website. To be honest, it's a very good website. Some people scaring about it, but I know the problem. Who don't have experience with the robots, for them it will be very hard to subscribe to any signals there. I know that a lot of the broker companies, they are providing PAM accounts mostly. But the problem is of this PAM account that everything inside one company. And I know the companies that cheating with that. So they are trying to show fake statistic with very high percentages. And when you subscribe to this signal, you have the problems. MQL5 website, this is the most trusted website, for my own opinion, in the Forex field. Because first of all, MQL5, this is the website owners of this website is creators, it's company calling MetaQuotes. They made MT4, MT5. So if you are trading, you know about this trading software and the terminals. I love them. I love them because MT4 and MT5, it's fully completed programs. You can, inside you can trade, inside you can make the robot, then you can make like optimization and all this kind of stuff. Then they make in this website MQL5, it was the site for developers. And there was the freelance. So if you want to make your robot, you can write your idea and some guys will put you like, I can do this for $30, I can do this for $50, and then they understand that they can make a solution calling signals. So you can go to this website, you can find the things that you like with the robots, and you can subscribe to this kind of signal, and it will be automatic trading. One problem that people finding the ways how to cheat with the program. Imagine, do you know about website MyFixBook? Who knows about this website, MyFixBook? This is live monitoring. And even in my countries, people found the way how to cheat with this monitoring. So they know what I need to write, what place to build equity like that. You know, with the MQL5 website, this is not working like that. So we can see there fully public statistic and high level of risk control. So what we also doing from our side, we made a special program that trying to get full information from MQL5 website. Then we trying to make portfolios with the robots. So in the MQL5 website, you are able to subscribe only to one signals provider. We know we have the ways how to subscribe in the same time to 5, 10. So this is the point. And we know how to control the risk in the proper way. You see, this is the real trading. Right now, I'm showed you the account that we choose for also for us and for our clients. This is the special statistic by some formulas that we made for ourselves. Because first of all, we are trading by ourselves. We are trading by our own accounts. We have investors. And we are giving this option for the people, not only who wants to invest. We are providing them for the people who wants to trade in the same time. Because some of our clients, they teach how to trade in the same time when robots trading on their own account. So we have some option. You can trade even in the same account because all our robots, when they open position, you can see there, it's putting comment. And if you will open position by yourself, there will be no comment. You can see that totally full statistic about drawdown, about what is the balance of the profit. So this is the ways how we are choosing. And there are like fully statistic based on every month, and you can really find like profitable solution for you. But in the end, I want to tell you one thing, that the uniqueness stuff that we found for ourselves during all our experience. And this is not a strategy. This is not at one good instruments that we can trade. The most uniqueness thing and the most smart thing in the trading, this is in the first point you can see that it's very small in calling D. And for us, this is diversification. So it doesn't matter how many instruments you are trading, doesn't matter what you are doing, maybe you find some great coach. If you will diversify your system, trading system. And guys, you need to understand, if you will trade manually, you will never be able to diversify your risk. Because you can trade only one system, you can trade only few instruments. Some of our robots trading at night, only at night. And this is the most profitable robots for now, for our own portfolio. And imagine if you will trade during all your day. You will kill yourself, you know, like slowly. And mostly people like that. I was listening yesterday's speech about like around 1 hour, someone like trying to tell you about emotions. When you are trading with the robots, you will forget about all this emotion. Even if you want to become an investor or trader, for the new people, I told them, listen, no need to learn on this market, no need to make these minuses because you will do this. If you will tell to someone no need to do that because you will make a loss, it will not help them. In the end, they will lose this money. They need to do that to get this kind of experience. So with diversification, it's only one thing that will give you chance to make the profit every month. Because there you are able to put 10 systems. When you will diversify your market, you can do it even. You can diversify your instruments, trading system, totally different, and they will cover risk of each other. When I'm showing you MQL5 website, like last month, one of the robots made a loss of 3%, but 4 of them make a profit of 5%. So they cover them, and we made this plus. Of course, we are not speaking about plus like huge one, because some people coming to me and told me that, listen, I wanna trade with the risk of 10%, but by my expectation of the profit is 30%. No, it's not working like that. In this field, in smart trading, in smart investment, it's not working like that. Open statistic of biggest American hedge funds. They are making from 20 till 60%, and they are great there. But only in our areas, like people think that, even yesterday, I met one of my old clients. We installed for him our own robots. He is trading with us approximately 3 months, and during these 3 months, his profit was 8%, but he was in profit. He told me, no, I don't want to deal with you, because believe me, Alex, I can make 10%, not maybe every week, but 10% monthly like that, easily. Yesterday, when I started speaking with him, he told me, hi Alex, maybe you have some profit. I can work with you if I will get 5% monthly, it will be amazing. What changed during this period of time? I think because of his idea that I want to make 10% every week, he lost more than he was expecting. So this is the point. What I recommend you, to all of you, no need to run for high percentages, no need to run. Even for the people with small deposits, if you have deposits, $200, $300, $400, believe me, you can go to MQL5 website. You can make your statistic public, and you can get a lot of investors. This is you can go there and you can check. Also for the investors, if you have money, no need to run also for high percentages. Slowly, slowly, slowly. You need to calculate the risk. But only if you will use trading with the algorithms, you will be able to control this risk. Manually, it's impossible to control. It's impossible to control risk. It's impossible to control emotion. It's impossible to control human mistakes. This is the worst thing, because before we was working only with the trust management, and we had some people in my team, and the biggest thing that was nervous for me, when we was losing because of the, not technical things, because of the human problems. Like I was planning, we was holding the deal, and in some point it was necessary to close it, but this guy went to the washroom. Robot will never go to the washroom. So this is the point. He will save a lot of your emotion, a lot of your nervous, and in the end you will be able to make the profit in the end of every month. Thank you very much, guys, for your time. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much.